room 259 at All Star Sports. Okay, you have a Murphy Queen. And you have a regular queen. Beside the bed, you have charging station, cubby, on the other side as well. Charging cubby. Near the door, you have a coffee maker and some Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend, as well as some tea. A drawer. And then a beverage cooler. So this doesn't get like super cold, 41 degrees. It's to keep things cool, not cold. You also have another cubby, as well as USB and regular plug sockets on the side of the Murphy. The Murphy has 2 pull-out chairs, and I will fold it down in a moment for you to see. In here, you have a safe, some drawers, a lot of space. Set some lights here. Standard bathroom. Shower head. And you do have soap already here. Cut down on some luggage. Towels. Very thin feeling towels, but yes, the towels. And then you have a little mini makeshift closet. As well as an ironing board and some shelves. Some hooks here. And then a sliding door here in case you're gonna get ready earlier in the morning. For a little privacy, you can slide it. Thank you for watching this tour of Disney's All-Star Sports. Please check out our other room tours on our channel, and like, and subscribe so you don't miss another moment of magic. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.